speech by Dr. Manmohan Singh in which he said that Muslims have the first right on resources.
Not true. Not true.
You want to talk about
You
the
are wrong.
Sajja committee report or the Ranganath Mishra?
No,
The Ranganath
you're
Mishra committee
unnecessarily
report.
going into issues which Dr. Manmohan Singh didn't talk about, and I don't want to carry this dialogue forward. I'm not a congressman. I'm an independent member of parliament. I've read both manifestos.
Sir, you are completely a congressman even though you've left the Congress.
That
Isn't it
doesn't
quite
matter. My
clear?
heart is in that ideology, but I'm not a congressman. Mainstream media captured. We see the discourse on mainstream media.
What is the discourse? Every
You have
day
not seen
you're
it.
giving sound
Not-
bites.
not-
Every day Rahul Gandhi is
So
running.
I think we need massive changes in the law. Massive changes. We need to have a provision in the law that if you change your party mid-term, then you will not be able to fight the next election. Elected governments being toppled over, never in the history of this country, by buying, any number of people to ensure that they are
Did
reduced to a
anybody go
minority.
to court that they have been bought over when they went to court, they lost the case?
One second. Court is
So
not,
then you don't believe
court
the
is
court?
not dealing with the issue of buying over.
Yeah, so then
Right. I am telling you the reality on the ground. If you disagree with me, say so. That they were not bought over. This is just altruism that people just came and said, "Ke yaar, ha, BJP इतनी बढ़िया party, हम गला लगाना चाहते हैं." You know what the PML is? प्रधानमंत्री की लाल आंख. So it's not a golden period for democracy in this country. It is not a golden period for the media of this country. It is not a golden period for the election commission of this country. It's not a golden period for the governors of this country. It's not a golden period for India.
Why did the Prime Minister say
The Prime
this?
Minister is saying this because he wants votes on the basis of falsehood.
okay.
Let me be clear on it. Nobody, no Congress manifesto says this, no Congress manifesto talks of it. I'm not a congressman. I'm an independent member of parliament. I've read both manifestos.
Sir, you are completely a congressman even though you've left the Congress.
That
Isn't it
doesn't
quite
matter. My
clear?
heart is in that ideology, but I'm not a congressman.
You quit the Congress because
So
of
my heart is in that ideology. I said so openly. I've said so since the beginning. But the fact of the matter is I'm interpreting it as a citizen of this country.
Okay.
Right? And the BJP manifesto when it says कि आपको इतना पैसा तो अब दे रहे हैं, जब हम आएंगे तो आगे भी देंगे. That's bribery. That's bribery. That's taking votes on this. आगे भी हम आपको पैसा देंगे, आप हमें वोट कीजिए.
Isn't the Congress doing the same thing?
I
in
am not
Karnataka?
asking I am not here for the Congress. If the Congress has done something wrong, I will say it. I'm telling you what the BJP is doing.
Which all political parties.
So that's now justified. So if
I'm
all
just
political parties talk of this thing, therefore BJP can do it.
No, I'm
if,
just asking
if the
you,
Congress
is there-
did a wrong, if the Congress did a wrong and you said, but Congress did it, so I can also do the wrong. ये तो
So
कोई logic हुआ ना?
different yardstick for the BJP.
Let's not know the same yardstick. If they are doing wrong, you should not do wrong. Why? Because you say you are different, no?
Like the Aam Aadmi Party should be
BJP
different,
is
right?
different, huh?
The Aam Aadmi Party.
I'm not
which
here sitting
promised-
for the Aam Aadmi Party. You ask me a question, I'll answer.
So let's get to the whole bit about this democracy under threat, which you have also talked about. That in 2024, the election is to save democracy, which is what all political parties, excluding the BJP or the NDA, is saying. But on the other hand, the Adhir Ranjan says Adhir Ranjan of the Congress says that democracy is under threat because of Mamta. The Congress says P. Vijayan is undermining democracy. In Punjab, the allegation is made by the Congress that Aam Aadmi Party is throttling democracy. That is when Khaira got thing. So when the agencies go after people of different political parties, then if that means that they are probably agnostic to political parties. So
Yes.
what I'm asking you is that if how is democracy under threat?
You can see it. You can see it. Why democracy is not a threat. You can see it. You don't have to even ask me this question.
I
You
am
talk to the people around. They'll tell you that democracy is under
What
threat.
I'm saying is all political parties are saying democracy is under threat in their state. But not in the other state.
I don't stand here either for the Congress or for the Aam Aadmi Party or for any political party. I am telling you my opinion.
Okay, how is
My
democracy under
opinion is that democracy is under threat for several reasons. The institution of the Election Commission is captured. When the Prime Minister makes a statement of this nature, which is violative of Section 153A of the Penal Code, no Prime Minister should make these kind of statements. That Congress manifesto says कि आपकी संपत्ति ली जाएगी और उन लोगों को दी जाएगी जो बच्चे ज़्यादा पैदा करते हैं, right? But Election Commission does nothing. Instead of issuing a notice to him, they issue a notice to the party, and that also is not a notice. They say आप अपने जो आपके प्रचारक हैं, जो स्टार प्रचारक हैं, उनको कहिए कि मॉडल कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट फॉलो करो. नोटिस भी नहीं देते इस बात पे। एंड मैं आपको हज़ारों उदाहरण दे देता हूँ। इलेक्शन कमीशन इज कैप्चर्ड, योर इंस्टीट्यूशन इज गवर्नर्स इज कैप्चर्ड, सुप्रीम कोर्ट इटसेल्फ सेज व्हाट आर द गवर्नर्स डूइंग, राइट? योर वाइस चांसलर्स आर ऑल appointed. Most of your people, in fact, in ministries now, RSS people are sitting there in the ministries. So let's be clear, you give me any institution in this country, media, mainstream media, captured. We see the discourse on mainstream media.
What is the discourse? Every
You have
day
not seen
you're
it.
giving sound
Not-
bites.
not-
Every day Rahul Gandhi is
So,
running. Every day Mamata Banerjee is
I'm not
running.
talking about Rahul Gandhi or anybody.
तो कैसे कैप्चर ना वही मैं
अच्छा चलिए, आप भी देखती हैं कि नहीं?
Of course.
देखती हैं ना? आप समझती हैं नहीं कैप्चर्ड है?
No, I don't believe it at all. I have seen government after government coming and going
नहीं,
from this country.
मैं बात कर रहा हूँ इस गवर्नमेंट की। आप करिए गवर्नमेंट आफ्टर गवर्नमेंट।
Exactly, so I
इफ यू
compare
से
to
दैट
the-
फ्रॉम 2014 to 2014 to 2024, you believe that the mainstream media is performing its functions.
Let's go back also, 80s
अरे
and
यार,
onwards
फिर
also.
मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ,
हाँ,
आप जवाब दीजिए।
absolutely.
If you say yes, it is not captured,
Yeah.
I'll believe you.
Yeah, it's not captured.
Good, I believe you.
Yeah.
What?
You are on social
Let the
media.
people decide. You say what you say. I have said what I've
Do
said.
you know
The people will decide.
How many? No, we are not standing for election, so people won't
No,
decide.
we
You're
are.
a private
We are.
individual.
No,
I'm a
you're,
private
you're
individual.
mistaken. Every time we have a conversation, there is an impact on the public. So the public
So
will say
public can't
that you
decide.
said this and I said
Public
this,
is
and
neither
the
voting.
public will decide who is right.
Public is neither voting for you nor for
It's
me.
not a vote.
So
Every
then
time
फिर
it's
क्या?
not a vote.
Then what are you
It's
talking? How will
opinion
public
make.
decide?
It is opinion make.
सर पब्लिक कैसे आपको और मेरे को डिसाइड करेगी कि आपको ज्यादा हिट्स मिलेंगे आपके यूट्यूब चैनल में या मेरे को मिलेंगे?
फिर आप,
तो फिर
you
पब्लिक
have,
का तो
you have,
सवाल ही
you
नहीं।
have again every conversation in the public, any public discourse has an impact on the people who
Sure.
watch it. Please
So they
let
don't
me
decide.
let me finish. Let me finish. Who watch it? Some part of that goes into their opinion making. Some of that opinion making goes into the public mind, right? And therefore, it formulates the opinion of the public when they actually go out to vote.
Isn't
If you say that no, the media is so impartial, there is no question of it being captured.
never said-
And I say that the media is captured in the mainstream media, not others, not social media. Then the people will think whether you are saying what is saying is right or right.
When I said it's not captured.
It's partial?
So partial because when you say media, sir, there are over 400 channels. If one is partial, the other one is partial to the other party.
Right. So, but it is partial.
So it has always been like this.
Good. So at least we
Never.
now have a situation where you admit
No.
that whatever media is
You
there
are
is
again
partial.
like you
I am
are
interpreting.
twisting my words.
I am interpreting
You're a lawyer,
you.
Of course you will do
I
that.
am interpreting you.
Absolutely not. If there is what I am saying is that the
Achha,
media
let's-
gives fair. The
Let's-
media
let's-
gives a fair voice
let's
to
go
everybody.
on to the next
So,
subject.
The other thing that you were talking about is about we were talking about democracy and the capture of democracy. Now you're fighting. You
मतलब
say
कि सूरत में आप सारे लोगों को विड्रॉ कर कैप्चर डेमोक्रेसी। आप महाराष्ट्र में आपने सरकारें बदल दी लोगों को खरीद के, जिनके खिलाफ ईडी के केस चल रहे थे उनको आपने कैबिनेट में ले लिया। ये केवल महाराष्ट्र में नहीं हुआ, आपने उत्तराखंड में सरकार बदल दी, इलेक्टेड सरकार आपने मध्य प्रदेश में बदल दी, आपने कर्नाटका में बदल दी, आपने अरुणाचल प्रदेश में बदल दी, और सुप्रीम कोर्ट का क्या वर्डिक्ट आया हर केस में? ये गलत हो रहा है। तो आप कहते, इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ आपके पास इतना ज़्यादा धन है। हिंदुस्तान की सबसे बड़ी पार्टी, जो हिंदुस्तान से सब रिच पार्टी, हिंदुस्तान की सब दुनिया में सब द रिचेस्ट पार्टी इन द वर्ल्ड इज द बीजेपी through the electoral
I
bond.
will let the BJP answer that. I am not here to defend the BJP.
Neither am I here to defend the Congress.
So but you fight the battles of the India Alliance, and which is why
I fight the battles of the citizen
Legal.
of this country.
No, legal battles
the
of-
citizen of this country. Never, even my legal battles are based on what the citizen, what
So,
should happen in this country.
when you make an accusation, so that is why I'm asking you is like, for example, when you talk about the various state governments having been dismissed or having been turned over,
No, not dismissed. This is different from dismissing a state government.
which is
For
all right
example,
to
Congress
do that.
party, one second. Congress party dismissed government some time back. You know when they dismissed,
history of
and Supreme Court struck it down. Acceptable.
No,
This
they-
is a case of elected governments being toppled over, never in the history of this country, by buying, any number of people to ensure that they are
Did
reduced to a
anybody go
minority.
to court that they have been bought over when they went to court, they lost the case. So are
What
you
is
saying
the-
that
what is the lose
when
the case?
Maharashtra went to court, when they went to court, they lost the
So
case?
let me
so
now.
if the court have already
One
said,
second. Court is
So
not.
then you don't believe
Court
the
is
court?
not dealing with the issue of buying over.
yeah, so then
Right. I am telling you the reality on the ground. If you disagree with me, say so. That they were not bought over. This is just altruism that people just came and said कि यार हा बीजेपी इतनी बढ़िया पार्टी हम गला लगाना चाहते हैं. मोदी जी ने
Sir,
बयान दिया.
sarcasm से
मोदी
तो
जी ने
आंसर
बयान
कोई
दिया.
भी हो सकता है.
मोदी जी ने बयान दिया कि 720 मिलियन और whatever का इतना घोटाला हुआ और ये इनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए. उसी शख्स को आपने अपने डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर बना लिया. आप कहते हैं नहीं ये तो कितने मतलब कि कुछ लोगों को लगा कि बीजेपी इतनी गजब की पार्टी है, इतना लगाव है हमसे कि हम तो उनके गले
तो
लगना चाहते हैं.
गजब की पार्टी कौन सी है फिर?
मैं ये बात ही नहीं कर रहा. मैं तो बीजेपी की
अब
बात कर
आपसे
रहा हूँ.
पूछ रही हूँ कि कौन सी पार्टी
देखो मैं
गजब की
आपको एक
पार्टी है?
सच बात बताऊं. हिंदुस्तान में you need a change of the political system. This political system is not going to deliver for the people of this country.
That's interesting. So what is it?
We'll have another discussion on that. They have
No,
a
no,
lot
I
of
need
things
to-
to. I'll tell you a lot of things about it as to
Need
how
to
this should
know.
happen. I'll tell you. But let's talk of your interview now first.
Okay, that's interesting. But I need to ask you about, I know you've spoken about it many times to other journalists, about what happened when you quit the Congress. Was it because everybody associates you, even now, many people will forget that what exactly happened and why you got disgruntled or unhappy, or what was the situation at that time?
Look, I've always said this and I repeat it to you. When I was in the Congress party, I used to speak out. When I'm not in the Congress party, I never comment on what happened. That was my position then, it is my position now.
Is there a bitter fallout between you and your
I am
colleagues?
not going to talk about anything. I have no bitterness with anybody. If it was not then even, it's not now even.
When you went to that India Alliance meeting, at that time KC Venugopal complained, I believe, that because you were seated out there in that meeting, that the Congress
He
was
must have complained. I don't know about it. He must have complained. I have no problem. I mean, if he complained, he complained.
You don't want to be part of the India Alliance. Now you're in the
No,
Rajya Sabha.
I am supporting them every way, publicly, even otherwise.
So are you part of the alliance or you not?
No, not formally, no.
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 Since Samajwadi Party backed you.
No.
So-
See, look, let's be clear on this. I'm not going to name any political parties, but my position, as soon as I resigned from the Congress, was that I will never join any other political party. I made a public statement. It is part of public record. And I've stood by that. So if people came to me and said, look, join us, I said no. That's my public statement and I repeat it to you. In my life, I will not join any other political party.
Why?
That's my reason. I don't have to say why, right? I want to be, if at all I am a member of parliament,
public
it can
life.
only be, my public life is not limited. My public life, I do 500 other things. I do my Dil Se programs, I write a lot, I make public speeches,
Poetry.
I do poetry, I do 500 other things, I argue in court, right? So I don't need a membership of parliament to be in public life.
You've become the go-to person for everybody in the India Alliance to fight in court, whatever
correct.
they have. You've
That's
become the go-to person.
That's correct.
But is that the reason why you don't want to join any
No,
political party?
no, that's not
That
at
there
all.
could be
That's
conflict
not at
of
all
interest?
true. Not at all true. I have been the go-to person right from the 90s. Which member of a political party have I not represented? From Jayalalitha to Karunanidhi to Karunakaran to the CPM. You name a political party, I have represented everybody since the 90s. So it's not something new.
So, when you see, you're saying a new system needs, a new political system needs to come in place because the existing one doesn't. You don't have a plan of action, or you don't have to tell me a plan of action. But if you were to pick up any party, don't need to name, what are the 3 things that you would think are needed in that party to deliver today?
Forget party. I think we need massive changes in the law. Massive changes, right?
Okay.
We need a massive change in the Representation of People's Act. Massive change, right? And nowadays, corrupt practices is related to what the candidate does. No? So if Modi ji makes a speech and he's not a candidate in that constituency, he can make any speech and nobody can say anything to him. We need massive changes. We need also a provision in the law, which means we need to scrap the 10th schedule.
Okay.
And we need to have a provision in the law that if you change your party during the term of your candidature, of your being for 5 years, if you change your party mid-term, then you will not be able to fight the next election and you should not be able to hold public office. All this defection will stop.
So what Rajiv Gandhi had done was inadequate, you feel, at that time?
Whether I have not seen what Rajiv did, what Modi ji did, I'm not on that. I'm
No,
just
on
telling
that
you
law.
massive changes. I need massive changes in the law. I'm giving you 2 examples.
Okay.
We need to get rid of this 10th schedule. It's being misused, right? We need to get rid of the fact that the speaker and the chairman of the house don't give up their affiliation with the political party.
Don't give up.
They don't at the moment.
They
They
should
don't
give up.
should give up, and therefore they should not be allowed to hold any public office after they have served those 5 years.
But pehle to hua na, they went and voted. You remember that? How it
I
happened?
know that, but this is what I'm
Our
saying.
government fell
You
because of
asked me as to what this massive changes.
पर उस टाइम तो किसी ने बोला नहीं कि change
फिर वही
होना
बात. अबे उस टाइम मैं इतना मतलब कि आपने मुझे पूछा
चाहिए।
नहीं
You
तो
were
मैं
very voluble even then.
क्या
उस
मैं तो
पर-
तभी भी कहता था आपको गलत फहमी है. मैं तो हमेशा कहता रहा हूँ जब इलेक्ट्रल बॉन्ड की स्कीम आई तो मैंने भाषण दिया पार्लियामेंट में ये
He
क्या
was
कर
your
रहे
friend, Arun Jaitley.
That doesn't mean कि भाषण you are my friend. I'm
But
saying
you
all
did-
kinds of things to you.
You didn't argue all that vociferously.
I did. You go and see that
हाँ.
speech. I said कर क्या रहे हो तुम?
हाँ.
उसी समय बोला था.
But
वही मैंने आके आर्ग्यू
but
किया.
सब agree कर गए उस वक्त?
क्या?
To the electoral bonds, it suited everybody.
नहीं मैं क्या पार्टी ने एग्री किया मैंने क्या कहा पार्टी ने what could you they have majority even today what can we do we have to agree we have no choice in the matter where there is where we feel on principle we are opposed we say it.
So when I speak to other political parties, they say ठीक है अच्छा electoral bond हटा दो ठीक है गलत है कोर्ट ने भी कह दिया हटा दो इसका ऑप्शन क्या है फिर
तो कई चीज़ें हो सकती हैं मैंने सुधार भी दिया है कि ऑप्शन बड़ा सिंपल है कि अगर कोई भी कॉरपोरेट सेक्टर किसी को पैसे देना चाहता है फॉर द इलेक्शन पर्पस वो इलेक्शन कमीशन को दे ठीक है ना तो टेकर 10,000 करोड़ इलेक्शन कमीशन पे आ गया ठीक है तो ईच कैंडिडेट को उतना ही पैसा दे दो ईच कैंडिडेट ऑफ पार्लियामेंट इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नो प्रॉब्लम
नहीं होगा
क्यों नहीं होगा आपने मुझसे पूछा मैंने आपको सुधार दिया
हो सकता है
if people are willing see this
so
is
where does the money come from
the corporate sector same thing
and put it into a corpus
into a corpus of the election commission and distribute it amongst
why would a company
a ruling party
why would a company
why not it is doing it now
let's think about an Ambani right an Ambani would want to give it to a winner party why would a Ambani want to give it to a loser
why do you say
losing party
that
in
means you are wanting to give it to a party which will win elections when you have deep financial interest in the system it's a great conflict of conflict issue.
Is there an like?
I'm giving you a solution now.
Because you
this
international
require a 5-day discussion as to what new system should come. But since you asked
obviously
me the
I
question,
want a once a week interview with you. That means
therefore I'm saying you asked me a question. I'm giving you a solution. If the corporates want to help by funding the electoral process, they can do it by giving the same amount of money to the election commission which distributes equally amongst all candidates.
Is it fair for like a political party which has in the previous election has 200 seats and
they'll get more because each candidate will get the same amount and therefore they'll have more money. Simple.
And it doesn't matter where they are fighting because a candidate who fights in Maharashtra will obviously need more money as compared to a person who's fighting
that doesn't matter. That's equally distributed. That's all. Candidates should fight the same. यहाँ तो मतलब कि दिस इज द अदर थिंग ये जो कैश की बात करते हैं तो हमने कैश ख़त्म करने के लिए किया था तो आजकल आंध्रा और कर्नाटक में कितना पैसा खर्च होता है
please if you start me on demonetization I can talk louder than you or I can be more critical because I feel it's the most bizarre scheme which has ever come into this country.
There are many more bizarre things.
मेरे को तो it was I think it is impacted on so many aspects anyway
वो बात की बात है
वो बात हो गया आप क्या कर सकते हो आप Now, I want to come after the electoral bonds thing, the other thing which you've been talking a lot about, which is the PMLA. On that, I just want to get some clarity. Why is it that none of them are getting bail? Kejriwal, Sisodia,
Ask the courts, ask the courts.
Yeah, I just want to ask you,
I keep on asking them, I don't get any response. Really.
as somebody who's been advocating.
Actually, what is, you know what the PMLA is? प्रधानमंत्री की लाल आंख is PMLA. It has nothing to do with Prevention of Money Laundering Act.
Please, you flip
It
it.
is प्रधानमंत्री की लाल आंख. मतलब कि ईडी भेज दो, जो मर्जी करवा लो.
तो ये लाल आंख जुडिशरी पे भी है उसका मतलब?
नहीं, जुडिशरी की तो बात ही नहीं हो रही, इन्वेस्टिगेशन की बात हो रही.
बेल-
अगर किसी को पकड़ना है तो ईडी भेज दो, किसी के बयान ले लो, ओरल बयान ले लो, वो ओरल जो मर्जी कह दे कि भाई इसकी संपत्ति है, उसकी संपत्ति है,